Hey guys, good afternoon. We've almost made it through our first day of virtual learning and homeschooling. I know for my kiddos it went pretty smoothly. I hope it has for you too. So please reach out to me if you have any questions or need any help, and send me those pictures and videos to touch base. I'd love to see them. Okay, so answers from our story. Question 1 about Elvis. It says, which character is telling this story? We have a boy, and we have Elvis, the dog, and we have this mom. Well, when I was listening to the story and reading it, I heard it kept saying, I did this. I talked to my best friend, the mouse. Well, it says it's talking about Elvis. So hopefully you circled Elvis, the dog, told the story. Question 2, it says, how is Elvis different from most dogs? Elvis does not like to something the mailman. And I remember he said, I have to go out and chase that mailman. I don't like to chase the mailman. So it was a chase. Question 3 was the underlined part. It says, what do we learn about Elvis? And it says, they want me to eat it off the floor. Gross. Well, I think we're learning he didn't want to eat that meatloaf that fell on the floor, so it was A for that one. Question 4, why does Elvis talk to Maxwell about his feelings? Maxwell was that mouse, and he said, Maxwell is my best friend, so it was B. Maxwell is his best friend. And then question 5, what does Maxwell tell Elvis to do? He says, do what makes you happy. C, happy. And then question 6, look at the events and the very last thing that happened in this story. And I'm going to even look back in the story to make sure I'm right. But at the very end, I saw that picture where he was lying on the floor all curled up like a cat. So it's C. All right, there's our reading. Now for our math. Let me get to the right page. Okay. So if we're adding 7 plus 1 more, if I count on 7, 8. 8 is 7 plus 1. If I'm counting on 8 and need 2 more, 8, 9, 10. So our answer is 10. Question 3. 7 plus 2. I'm going to count on 7. 7, 8, 9. So our answer is 9. And then the last one, 6 plus 3. So I count on 6, 7, 8, 9. My answer is 9. And then the last thing, I gave you I wondered if you wrote today, what are you doing? If you wanted to write with me or write that back to me to tell me what you're doing today. So I was going to write to you real quick to show you what I did today. I did a lot of work on the computer today and a lot of these videos. So, and I help my kids too with their learning. So I'm going to write, I worked on my, we know that trick word, M-Y, my, on my computer. I'm leaving spaces between my words. There's the end of computer, so I need to scooch over so my words don't get all scrunched up. I worked on my computer and A-N-D trick word and helped my M-Y, my kids. Has a suffix, kids. That's what I did today. Real quick, tomorrow there'll be about 5 videos, so a little bit shorter. That phonics with the ABC cards, you can use that one over and over again. Excuse me. Tomorrow I'll do iReady page, that's Bark Beauty, the story and the questions. iReady math packet is how to use doubles. I'll do that packet tomorrow, or that page. I'll do another spring book, another Junie B, a few pages. And then we'll make a couple of words in our phonics lesson, and I'll do another sentence tomorrow. So that will be about 5 videos tomorrow. See you tomorrow, guys. Love you. Bye.